Financial freedom often sounds exciting, but most people get this wrong by chasing speed instead of structure. The surprising truth about Pioneer Finance USA in 2026 is that it focuses on building strong foundations first. Pioneer Finance USA offers a mix of personal finance tools, including budgeting, cash flow management, and structured saving plans. It's designed for Americans who want control over everyday finances before moving into more advanced options. The setup process walks users through income sources and recurring expenses. From there, it creates a clear snapshot of financial health. You won't believe how eye-opening this can be for first-time users. One of its strongest features is cash flow forecasting. Users can see upcoming obligations weeks in advance, helping avoid late fees and overdrafts. This alone can save hundreds of dollars a year. Pioneer Finance also includes automated savings triggers tied to spending behavior. For example, if discretionary spending stays below a set limit, extra funds are moved into savings. Security and transparency are priorities. All fees and terms are explained upfront, and account controls are easy to adjust at any time. The limitation is that Pioneer Finance USA is not a quick cash or investment-heavy platform. It's about discipline, not shortcuts. In conclusion, Pioneer Finance USA in 2026 is still worth it for people who want stability, predictability, and long-term confidence with money. Subscribe for more clear, no-nonsense financial reviews that actually help you move forward. Title start Yield Boost Bank Review 2026. Is it still worth it? Title BNE Script Start What if your savings account is quietly costing you money every single year? Most people get this wrong, but here's why Yield Boost Bank has stayed on the radar going into 2026. Yield Boost Bank markets itself as a high-yield, digital-first banking option focused on helping everyday users earn more on idle cash. The main attraction is its above-average interest rates compared to traditional brick-and-mortar banks. While many standard banks still offer near-minimal returns, Yield Boost emphasizes competitive yields designed to keep up with inflation pressures. Getting started is simple. You open an account online, verify your identity, and link an existing bank for transfers. Funds typically become available quickly, and interest begins accruing almost immediately. You won't believe how many people leave money sitting in low-yield accounts without realizing the long-term impact. One of Yield Boost's strongest features is automatic yield optimization. Instead of forcing users to manually move funds, the platform allocates balances into interest-earning structures behind the scenes. This hands-off approach is ideal for people who want growth without constant monitoring. Security is another priority. Yield Boost includes standard protections like encryption, account alerts, and instant transaction notifications. Users can lock or unlock accounts in real time, which adds peace of mind in case of suspicious activity. However, Yield Boost Bank is not designed for everyday spending. There are limited checking features, and ATM access may come with restrictions depending on location. This makes it better as a savings-focused companion rather than a full replacement bank. In conclusion, Yield Boost Bank in 2026 is still worth it if your goal is to earn more on savings without complexity. If you're tired of watching inflation eat away at your money, this platform remains a solid option. Subscribe for more honest banking reviews that help your money work smarter.